Hello YouTube, it's Nicholas speaking. Welcome to another super cool, exciting tutorial. Today, I'm going to create a little project. It is called Web Design Landing Page. You are welcome subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to smash the bell for more upcoming videos just like this one. Let's go. I already created one page with this title. I'm using Astra free theme. And here in the sidebar, I'm going to disable it. Disable sidebar actually. And for content layout, I'm going to choose disable title. And I'm going to set to enable transparent header. And also for layout, I'm going to add full width stretch. Click on update. Now let's edit with the Elementor. I don't want to create this menu with button again. If you don't know how to do that, watch my previous tutorial. It is about, I think, 3 minutes, and you will find out. Now let's go to create this main part, this left and the right column. In the Elementor, click here to add new section and add the 2 columns. Okay, now I'm going to move this window, this completed project, in my second window, and there, our section. I'm going to set the width of 1300 pixels. Height will be fit to screen, and vertical line to be middle. Let's add the heading actually, with text of web design with BR tag. This is breaking rule tag for HTML. And in the style, let's use this hex color for text color actually. And the font is Montserrat, 70 pixels and 700 width. Weight actually. Okay, beneath that, let's duplicate this. And for the first one, let's add the margin of 80 pixels top. And down here, let's type the landing page. Okay, in the style, our color will be this one. This is 1BAFAF. Okay, in typography, it is the same font, Montserrat, with 34 pixels and 600 in weight. And text transform is uppercase. Okay, beneath that, let's add the text editor. Let me add a little bit of lorem ipsum text. And here, our settings, margin, add, and padding will be 50 pixels for top and 40% for the right. I want to make a little bit space, see, between this right border on this left side. You see? Okay. Beneath that, let's add the button. Okay, let me see the settings. Here is the text. Here you can add your own link. In style, the typography, we didn't change it. By default, it is the Rubato font, but you can set whatever font you want from Google Fonts library actually, or you can add your own. For the background color, let's add this one, #399FB7. I'm going to put all of these hex value down there into description, don't worry. Okay, and now set the border radius for all four sizes 20 pixel. This is our text learn more. Now in typography, let's change, actually in the typography we are going to change the weight of 300 pixel and set text transform uppercase. This is our button. And also let's add the hover state, for example. And I want hover animation to be push, just like this. Okay. Now beneath that, let's add the social icons. Search widget and add the social. Here, let's set the alignment to be left, and let me see the margin for our social icons. It is 50 pixels top. And for style, let's change the color to be custom and set the secondary color, this one, and primary, let's make it transparent. Okay, now let's add the icon hover. Just change the, again, hover animation to be grow. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, this is the content for our left column, and now there, let's add the image. I took this image from Freepik, and down there in the description I will credit the author of this illustration. Okay, it is all good. Click on update to save our work so far. And now we are going to add, let me show you in a minute. We are going to, not this one, here we are going to add those so-called, let me show you, shape divider, so-called clouds. Okay, let me see those values and colors, of course. Okay, click here on 6 dots, click on style, go on shape divider. For top, let's choose the clouds. Color will be this one, #C6F4FF, and height will be 187 with enable invert. Don't worry about our logo and menu. Let me show you why. Because if I click here, not the publish, just click on update, everything is good. Okay, now let's add the bottom. Bottom shape divider, again choose clouds, same color, value is 187, invert. Okay, click on update, and voila, almost finished. But let's check the responsiveness. Okay, let's check first the hover. And for hover, we can reduce this margin, just like here, all sizes 0. And for style, maybe the default size is 70 pixels, but maybe let's set 54 pixels. Also, sorry, also let's change the font size for landing page text. Here in typography, let's set 26, for example. And here, let's remove this right padding and maybe set to be 10% or 12, 20. 20 is much. Now it's better. This button, learn more is fine, and those social icons. Okay. And let's add a little bit padding in this size. For example, not the right, we need left 20 pixel. Okay. This size of this image is okay. And now let's go on the mobile. Here, let's move our heading down there, 80 pixels, for example. Let's reduce this, not padding, sorry. Let's subtract the margin. Here is, I think, everything fine. Maybe subtract this margin and add a little bit 20. The size of this illustration is okay. Let's click on update. Now let's check the responsiveness in Mozilla Firefox. First, let's log out from the WordPress. Okay. And now let's reduce. You see our logo. For smaller screens, you can add more space between logo and heading, more margin top for heading. If we go down there, yeah, definitely you should add more spacing between those two elements. Our menu is fine. If you want to add a button for your mobile menu, you can do that in Astra Theme Builder. Not Theme Builder, in Astra a Heading Builder. And our preview or view for mobile size actually is quite good. You see, just like this. It's fine. All you need to do is to add more spacing between our heading and the logo. You see. Let's refresh. Let's close this window. And now it is much better for larger screens. Okay, guys, this is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed working with me. Subscribe to my channel. I will be very happy if you do that. Also, if you have any questions, write down in the comments. Check the bell notification because you will be notified about new videos right away. Thank you for watching me and see you around. Bye bye.